Oh, it's not a set.
That's what I'm saying, it's more expensive.
Yeah. Wow.
That Jamaican dollars.
Thank you. That's the lady. Blessed.
It's about 5 plus 6,000.
That would be nice.
Yeah, it's so expensive.
That would be nice if you was on a holiday, but
Get a photo frame.
yeah, when you're coming back.
Get a photo frame.
Let's go and save me something else.
Want the one for me? No, photo get a photo for me and you. 2,600.
Thank you.
Something for my granddaughter. Eh?
Yeah, we're looking around as well. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, mate. What?
Is this for the box I got? You know the box I showed you?
Hello.
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good
Remember the
afternoon.
box I showed you?
For what?
The box I showed you.
Yeah. Hopefully next year when you come. Next time you come in.
What's the box? The box.
Remember? The box. Well, go on then. Look at this.
I don't know what size the small is. Only one like 0 to 3 months.
Mm-hmm.
Only 3 months. Oh, something like this.
Yeah.
The size of 18 months. And it's 3.
Next time when you come, you can get it, darling. Look, this is even nicer. Look. That's nice. What's this? Socks. What's this, babe? Yeah, we're just looking. If you see anything that fit my eyes,
Just looking for it's in 3 months. It's in 3 months. No.
yeah. You see the shorts I'm here? The shorts we was looking for. How much is these? Nice shot. Come on, look at the shorts.
How about this?
Huh? Yeah, very nice. Get it if you want.
This is 6. Is this a suitcase, this? Okay.
Huh? Wait until you come. When you come back again.
I just like that one.
Hmm?
I did really like it.
Yeah, get it then. If you like it, get it. Get it.
6 inches less.
Hmm?
I want to get a multiple equivalent of some good over there.
Look at that, guys. Look at this. Jamaica is funny. Hot pepper. Huh? Huh? Hey. Huh? Mm. If you want it, just get it. Babes, hurry up because I need to use the. How much is this?
930.
900. Okay. That's nice though. It's a unique.
It's an opener as well.
Yeah. It's a unique opener. Yeah.
Which one's the smaller size than that though? So it's 6 months.
No, the smallest size is a 6 months.
The smallest is 6 months.
Hmm? Huh? Say again. How much is these?
560.
I think it's stronger than this one, you know?
Basically the same thing. Same leather.
This one is not bad.
I mean, buy two children already. But this is the last one. Yeah, the rest they have something. That's a Jamaica.
Yeah.
But she don't have anything. What's it? A flag? Oh, okay.
You got 100, yeah, you got 100 of them?
Yeah.
You got 100?
Yeah.
So there's 500.
You think the kids don't use pen at school, any? Pencil? Huh? No, I'll get it for them. How much is this?
The oldest will wear a pen now, the youngest will. Your oldest pen?
385.
Yeah. Take out the money if you want.
One over it, yeah.
You got it, yeah? Oh.
So just one.
You think, what you say, they don't use pen?
This one, the high school use pen.
Okay, so I'll already have pen.
Yeah.
Take out the money and pay for that. Okay. Thank you. Yeah.
That's what we would get.
Thank you.
Thank you. My boss. Nice meeting you, yeah? Thank you. Where's the toilet? Where's I need to use the toilet?
What is it this way, no?
Oh, that way? Oh, that way?
It's closed. There.
Okay. Wow, look at this.
I'm looking for ice cream.
How much is?
3,000.
Wow. Huh?
Expensive.
You could buy one of that for Maya. Or buy
No, I was looking at it for Isaac and Elena, but they're expensive. They've got enough now. They won't be used to teddies.
Yeah.
And was out of those more babe? She's more Jamaica.
Yeah.
She likes nail stuff.
Yeah.
I want to shake on more. I
Yeah.
like that because it's so neat. I feel the baby and I thought I want to get from my box.
Let's go and see if we can get a bottle of rum. Look over there, man.
What rum's over there?
Huh?
Rum's over there?
Well, come on then. Where's the toilet?
You said over there though.
Let's go and use it and come back. You hold this. Let me go and use it.
I'm trying to put my purse in my bag.
Let me go and use the toilet. Come back.
I'm trying to.
Come back. Wait for me.
Alright then. I'm like, oh, babe, there's more here. There's more baby stuff.
I'll be back.
Okay then. I'm just looking anyway, I'm not buying anything else. Oh. So I'd buy something like this, but it's going to probably be cold in England. I don't know when they're going to be born. But I like that.
All bags left unattended will be confiscated and
Oh,
destroyed.
that's when this one is.
Bienvenido a la
Well, it looks like it's more for a boy.
Se recuerda a los pasajeros que no deben dejar ninguna maleta desatendida. Todo equipaje abandonado será confiscado y destruido.
3,750.
I like them teddies, but I don't know how much they are. Oh.
Looking for anything in particular?
I was looking at. Do you do cat collars?
Sorry?
Cat. I seen a dog thing, yeah. How much are the teddy bears? The small one.
Which one?
Well, I was looking at the monkeys first. How much?
21.
In only Jamaican dollars.
3,150.
What about the smaller ones? The smaller ones the same?
2007.
Have you got a t-shirt for a 5-year-old girl?
T-shirt, yeah.
Yeah, Jamaican. How much are them?
2,250.
Can I have a look at them, please?
Sorry?
Can I have a look at them? So I brought a dress in a in the
You can look
thing.
on the rack on the outside and we have sizes.
Yeah, I brought a dress, but I think it's too small. Gonna be too small for her. Are these hair bows?
Headband.
How much are the headbands?
I'm saying you can look through these and any one that you like, you could find the size for her.
And the hair bobbles are 12. These are 12.
The scrunchie?
Yeah.
$3, so that's $4.50 Jamaican.
I might get a Maya something like this. Oh, I don't know. I've forgotten enough for her though. A Maya. Oh, I'm just hoping it'll fit her. Oh, I just woke up. I need to think. There's so many stores in here, guys. But I sell loads of stuff. Ooh, Dominoes. It's a shame that I don't do the cat collars. Why didn't we got my dog? Babe, I seen over there's something for pets, but there's only dog collars, only cats. But I was looking, yeah. I'm just hoping that dress fits Elena, man. That's what I'm just hoping.
Which one?
That no dress we bought from the market. I'm just hoping it fits Elena because I was looking at the top shirts and thinking.
Yeah, let's have a look in here.
I looked over there, there's some hair balls there.
Bienvenido al aeropuerto internacional Mandley. Por favor, recuerde que no se permite tomar los términos de pasajeros.
So just going to buy some food first and then,
Yeah.
and then we go and see what we're going to spend.
Yeah.
There's no point taking you to make her back home.
So you want to buy one of those dress?
Which dress?
What you say you want to buy, Elena?
No, I was remember that dress we bought Elena. I'm just hoping it's going to fit her.
You will. It will.
There's some dress in the back it's not going to fit her. And I've seen some hair boys, but I thought if I buy them, I might let Elena something, then I have to go buy oils. I'm just going to have some food first.
As you may have noticed, the departure of this flight is delayed to 9:30 p.m. This is due to your aircraft arriving later than expected here in Kingston. We ask that you remain close to the gate here in case you're able to leave earlier, and you will remain at counter.
So let me see the Blue Mountain Peak Coffee.
Once again, we will apologize.
Them came now, I think.
Where?
Okay. And we want to thank you again for choosing us.
Huh?
Wait for it, don't sit my bag. I can't do it.
It's okay. Yes, guys. We are just browsing through. See if we get anything last minute. Hey, look at these.
I'm looking at all this Joe.
How much is this?
Okay, so, just on the back. What else?
Can we even go to Africa?
No, it's not price, you know. The shop's shut though, I think, because no one's here. The shutter's down.
The shutters down?
I think so. Yeah, the shutter's down. Look at the front. Unless-
How much is this?
I'm not sure. It's here.
How much?
$10 US.
I don't spend US dollars, not from US.
Jamaican dollars.
1,500.
1,500 inches. Let's look at a shorter one, this.
It's got trainer socks.
Which one? Yeah, but these you can see. You want the one where you can jog up.
How come it's so long?
It's long socks.
Like knee socks?
Yeah. But this one, you're gonna just push it in your shoes. Yeah, yeah. Come.
I thought that was something, no, don't worry.
Yeah. Hmm? I think we. You know what? We have enough.
Do you like my baby? My baby doll. It's sort of put on a liner, but I think
Wow.
that's nothing. Oh, hair bows. But I like to buy always at something, and that's no point. I can't do it.
Buy it, don't be. Buy it, no?
I know, but I'm going to put Isaac something then.
Why not?
That's what I'm saying. But I can't buy one without the other. I'm just hoping it fits her.
You still buy. You buy him something already.
Yeah, but I can't buy one more than the other.
What was? Who can this child? They have a 9-year-old.
Oh, you're not you.
What size is this? That's too small.
I'm large.
How much are those things, mate? Can't fit Talia? No. Hmm?
What's that? That's tiny.
Hmm?
That's a large. I can have to be a large.
Oh, yeah. How much is this for children?
Yeah,
That's tiny.
kids or if it can fit you, I guess. Yeah.
9-year-old.
9?
Yeah.
She's big. Chubbier.
The biggest we have is extra large. I'm coming. Give me a second.
All right. Huh? It's tiny. Okay, then tiny.
That's large. That's a large.
That can't fit tiny color. They're like a knickers, eh? Look at Rasta dog. Yeah. You want a dog? You have a dog?
No, so I look nowadays. I look at the cat. But do I know?
See the Jamaican dog lead. Look at this, eh?
That looks tiny. Yeah. That's extra large.
Eh?
That's extra large.
It will fit it because this is pretty much like a knickers, isn't it?
Like booty. Like,
Yeah. Like a sleeping now. Ask how much for it? How much are those, please?
15 US, 2,250.
I don't spend US.
2,500 Jamaican dollars.
For this. It's nice though.
It's nice.
You wanted the extra large?
I found extra large. They look tiny, man.
You found it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So that I can fit Talia?
So she's 9?
Yeah.
No,
She's 10. She's 10.
10? That's a 14, 16. So unless she's a very big 10. Then I can fit up to a 16-year-old. They're petite.
She's not petite, though, is she?
Hmm?
She's petite. That's I'll probably pick Kayla.
Hmm? Kayla. Talia is much chunkier than
Yeah,
Kayla.
that's what I'm saying. They look like children, like babies.
So yeah, cause we said that can fit up to 16, cause you can pull it, yeah?
But then you have to buy one without the other.
Hmm? Like come have the top, could but get alright then. Get 2. You think?
Well, I think it's gonna fit like this.
Yeah, she say can fit 16, you know?
So you got 2 extra large, don't you?
No, you get one bigger than one.
One large and one extra large.
But
They look tiny, that's what I'm saying.
you can pull up, you know?
You might have the thing to dry.
Yeah.
You're going to do?
You're not sure, get to it.
Sorry?
You're
I'm saying if you're not sure, get to it.
2 extra large, yeah. Because this would go nice with the they can sleep in them. That would go nice with the top that
So
you buy.
2 large, well, one large and one extra
What was the
large.
color of the top?
Green, I think.
Yeah. So you can't buy the same though. You're gonna have to buy one different from one.
One extra large and one large. One large and one extra large. I'll get this one large. Oh, it's shit, that's medium. I'm making a mess.
That's it.
Okay. Looks fine, isn't it?
Are you sure they can fit? Okay.
Me
I
for
be-
16-year-old and the extra large fit me.
Yes. All right. I believe so fit because they are pretty much like knickers anyway. So yeah. Okay. Take out the money, please.
Where's your,
Anything else from that?
No, I think we're done, I think.
We're done. We already have too much now.
That's it?
I'll come back anyway after I've had something to eat. So I need to... I need to what? 5,000. I think 6,000.
No.
Yeah.
How much?
2,000 each.
How much each for them?
2,000 something.
2,005.
Yes, that's about 5,000.
So, yeah.
They're 2,250 each, so
You want all this?
4,500.
Let me put this. No.
thank you.
See if I buy them clips for Elena, am I Elena, what am I gonna get Isaac?
Yes. Just buy Elena, because you already buy Isaac. If you see something
I haven't
nice-
bought Isaac, I bought both the same.
If you buy something for Isaac already, yeah?
I haven't bought Isaac anything now.
You never then buy something like that?
Do you see what I'm trying to say? If I buy Elena something, I've got to buy Isaac something.
3,000 Jamaican.
You don't have to. Because you already, what you buy for Isaac already.
Just the same what I've got Elena.
Yeah, so just, if you see a nice dress for her, just get it for her.
I was gonna get. Am I Elena one of these each and then go get Isaac something?
What's that?
One is going hair bows, but I'm going to get something first, man. I'm not coming back.
Come.
Where you going now?
I'm just gonna quickly look over there. Let's have a look over there. What we're gonna do now is get some rum and we'll finish. Look at it. We are not no big drinker, but we make promises back home to bring some drink for my friends. So I will try and get some rum. Yeah. Let's see. Find out how much is the rum, babes. Here's the rum over here. Okay. How much is the rum, please?
3,000 a bottle.
3,000 a bottle?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Interested in any rum cream as well?
No, not rum cream. Not rum cream. Not rum cream. We're ready. What you want to do? You get some rum?
I got it.
But you know what? We already have enough rum. Yeah. We have enough. Yeah. Guys, we have a 4 bottle of rum. 5 bottle of rum. That's enough. Because I'm not gonna drink now. I have 2 quarts. 2 quarts and 4 at the next one. Yeah? They have 2 quart bottle and I have 4 half flasks. I don't drink rum, but I just buy it for friends. So that's enough. I ain't gonna buy nothing more. Yeah. Gateway. Let's go and have something to eat, love. And sit down and rest for a bit. Forget about it. Eh? Okay. Yes, guys, guys, everything to take with you. But guys, please remember to share and subscribe. And now I'm gonna stop video now. We need to go and have something to eat because it's been a long day for us. But if you like our videos, just always remember to give us a thumbs up, guys. Look at me, I'm tired. I am tired, you know what I mean? It's been footed. We've been on the feet for the last month, you know, so we need to just calm down now and have some rest. So I see you in the next video. Bye bye.
So guys, we're boarding the plane now. Hey. Hello then.
I realize everyone going back home now, people start getting back them face, them British face. No more sunshine. Oh my God. Back to reality. Back to reality, guys. Thursday, back to work. What can we say?
Oh man.
No more sunshine. Distraction, like I said, I'll be back. Definitely.
Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Yeah?
Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Yeah, I will be back. I will be back.
Oh man, it's hot, make sure the heat. Just depressing. Oh look, there's afternoon.
Not that bad. Yeah.
It's not that bad. We'll go back to the rainy days. That's not that bad.
You know, let me tell you, I still love Britain. I lived here for 24 years. It's been my home.
It's my home now as well.
Yes, guys, we are saying bye-bye for now. Yeah. Hold your breath.
Just think, we landed here. We landed up here. No, I can't take my shoes off, man. My feet are killing.
Yeah. You know what? Mia is looking forward to see us.
I can't wait to see her, you know.
Eh?
I can't wait to see her. I might actually start crying when I see her.
Mia, we're coming home.
Open it.
When you look at this plane, the size of the plane is standing here for what, 10 hours. I can't come out, eh? God is good. Yeah. Peace.
Peace and love.
Yeah. In the Middle East. I'll come back home.
Hopefully I can sleep on the plane, you know. I'm hoping I can fall asleep.
Yeah.
Because you know what, I can't sleep on the plane.
Chuck my shoes off. And jam my sheet, because they're giving me a spread.
Well, you can sleep because I'm going to be sitting there. Because I can't sleep, you know.
This is not a day flight and it's a nighttime flight.
No matter what flight I've been on, it's been in the night time and I still cannot sleep for the night.
You know what, you can set your alarm 4:30.
You can.
Set your alarm, guys.
We're on the left side this time. We're on the left side this
Over
time.
the next side?
No,
Okay.
not this side, the other side.
Nice.
Last view.
Yeah.
Last view of it.
Yeah. Let me show them the passport for you.
No, you're going to show your boarding passes.
Okay.
Sit to never mind, hold on.
Hi. Is it the portrait?
I believe so.
Thank you.
That's what also was.
Okay. Somebody put it on. Oh. Want it on break? Let me take it off for you. Okay, that's it. Roll in.
On J.
Jay.
28. 28. Mate, my bag's gonna hit everybody in the face now. They've got 8, this is 12. More. We got right at the top. This is 15. Look on. 20 with 28.
Hello.
Let's have a look, babe. What number are we? Babe,
No, it's right at the back there.
what number are we?
Closer to the kitchen side.
We're 28.
28.
So that's 21, 20.
Yes.
21's there.
You don't have to go far to get a cup of coffee.
Oh, sorry.
The kitchen is much warmer.
What's the hole? Oh, babe.
You have a good time?
Very good.
How long have you been for?
1 month.
Okay.
But structure now say I'll be back.
Yeah, we'll be back. 100%.
Okay.
Yeah, would it be you YouTube?
Not me,
No. Come. Okay, number 28 we will look for.
Yeah, it was like a man. Okay.
Should we sit down first? We'll put our bags up. Video me as well.
Okay.
Sounds like video.
Oh, you want to video her? I'll video her. Also, he's a YouTuber now, aren't you?
Yeah, you can start video
That's
on
easy,
YouTube.
yeah. You know what? We have a nice time in Jamaica. Been away from home for 24 years. This is the first time back. Yeah. So have a wonderful time. Meet all the friends and family, and I'm looking forward to go back. You know what? I have to go back home now because my cat is missing me.
Oh, you can?
Yeah.
That's
That is
our little baby.
Hello, my baby.
What colour is your pussycat?
I have a white fluffy one.
Yeah, Persian.
Deaf?
No.
I thought white. No, she's a top breed.
Her name's Mia.
Mia.
Mia. Yeah.
I love cats.
And me, I love them.
I love all animals. So while you've been away, you looked after Mia.
Our neighbor.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Does she go outside?
No, she's an indoor
cat.
cat.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Proper clever.
That's what I mean. Yeah. Dog clubs them all the time, aren't they, the cats?
Babe, we're nearly here.
Really? Does your cat see any dogs?
No, we never don't have a dog.
If
We don't have a dog. No.
How does the cat?
I don't know because she's an indoor cat since she was always indoor, never come outside.
Babe.
Hello, good
That's us.
evening everybody, welcome aboard this fish show 8 to
That
London
next one.
Do appreciate
Yeah.
Robin is late today,
Look,
however, to minimise any delay, would ask you please to find your seats as quickly as possible please, ensuring that your hand luggage is
Let me
safely
go first.
placed
Yeah, let me
into
go
the
first.
overhead lockers, or any smaller bags tagged with a yellow label must be placed underneath the seat
Oh,
in
that's
front of you
next
please.
Forward to have something to eat now. Later, I'm hungry, man.
Listen, I don't want to next now. You can.
Alright, you move on.
Today's flight will be no
Put our
smoking
bags in there,
flights,
Put
this
the
will
passport
include
in.
e-cigarettes,
For listen.
and the toilets are fitted with smoke detectors.